fabulous, incredible, flavorful chicken soup that I have ever had. So this is the chicken soup. My God, I saw the guy's little vendor shop. It was excellent. I didn't get video there though. But what am I doing? There's the soup. This is definitely the most unique, fabulous, incredible, flavorful chicken soup that I have ever had in my life. And it actually has chunks of chicken meat. Had a whole little drumstick in there. Oh my God. Anyway, it's fabulous. I don't know what the Thai name is, but it is so packed with punch and flavor and but flavors that enhance and supersede the heat. So, I mean, oh my God, it's like a heating cooling effect. I don't know, but this is quite fabulous. My God, the seasonings are fantastic. The blends and the flavors. I don't know what all the flavors are, but they all pop to the same degree as the heat. So there's almost a heat and sweet. All right. Well, bon appetit.